Moosend versus ConvertKit. Two popular email marketing tools that can help you to grow your audience and automate your emails. But which one is easier to use, gives you the better value, and help you to make more sales? In this video, I will break down everything in a simple way. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool is the right one for you. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and check the link from the description to get some special offers. Now let's get back to the video. So what are these tools all about? Moosend is a full-featured email marketing platform that focuses on automation and the design flexibility. Basically, it's great if you want a beautiful email template and the advanced workflow at a low cost. And other side, we have the ConvertKit. It is like built mainly for the creators like YouTubers, the blogger, coaches, freelancers, and this kind of people. So it focuses on the simplicity, clean design, and connecting better with your audience. Now let's talk about the ease of use. ConvertKit is known for being very beginner friendly. The dashboard is clean and creating an email or setting up the automation feels natural. Moosend is also easy, but it has more feature packed in one place, which can feel a bit heavy for complete beginners. If you love simplicity, ConvertKit wins here. So if you enjoy playing with more options, then Moosend is the better option for you. Now let's talk about the email template and the design. Moosend offers a drag and drop editor, a lot of ready-made templates. So you can design emails just like building blog, so no coding needed. Now we have the ConvertKit in the email section, so it keeps things minimal. It doesn't focus as much on flashy design, but more on clean, text-based emails that look personal. So if you like design-heavy newsletter, then ConvertKit is the option for you. But if you want simple and personal emails, then ConvertKit fits perfectly. Now let's move to the automation and the workflow. Both tools let you to create automated email sequence. Moosend gives you detailed automation map. You can set if this, then this kind of conditions. And other side we have the ConvertKit. Its automation is easier but slightly limited. It's great for simple email series or welcome flows, but not for the very complex funnel. So if automation is your focus, then Moosend is your powerful option. Next is analytics and tracking. Both platforms shows the open rates, click-through rate, and subscriber activity. But Moosend gives you a bit more detailed reports and lets you segment your audience easily. ConvertKit focuses more on creator insights like which subscriber bought a product or joined a course. Now let's talk about the pricing. A big factor for most users, Moosend is one of the most affordable email tools out there. Even it offers the free trial and paid plans start at very low price compared to other tools. Now ConvertKit offers a free plan also, but not only for smaller list and with the limited feature. So the paid plan are more expensive but designed for serious creators who sell digital products. So the final verdict is, if you are new or the beginner creator, blogger or YouTuber who wants to keep things simple, then ConvertKit is your best choice. But if you want strong automation, more design option and the better pricing, then Moosend gives you the more power for less money. So you can try both of them for free by using the link, and you can decide after using the free option which one is the better option for you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.